Hi there, this is Casey. Welcome to Casey's Adventures. Today is a different adventure. My son went up against a wall, and the wall won. So we're going to be fixing the scruff out of this bumper as best as we can. Looks bad than it is. I could probably get about 80% of it out, make it presentable. As you can see, some of the primer's showing. Most of these can be scratched out. So let's go ahead and fix this. Today's tools will be various types of wet dry sandpaper. Today's tools will be various amounts of different grit sandpaper ranging from 200 right up to 1500 grit sandpaper. And of course, a stool because I'll be sitting down most of the time, crouching down, and I'm 55 and my back can't take it anymore. So we'll start off with the lowest number here. All these papers have been soaking for a while in some water. Start with 200. Get off the really bad. Always make sure your sandpaper is good and wet. A lot of pieces hanging off. They're the ones, maybe the tough parts. That there is going to be unrecoverable. It's too big of a gouge. Move up to 600. And we're at the point now where all the plastic that was gouged out is pretty much now gone. So we could probably carry on and use the 1500, which will smooth it out even more. 1500. You can go up as high as 2000. I don't think that would be necessary. Just grabbing the dry rag here, wipe it down a bit. Buffer cloth. Well, it's probably not going to get much better than that. It's the best we can do in the circumstance. We could probably sand it down a little more, get it a little less showing. Once we're done all of this, once we've done all of this, put some wax on it. That might smooth it out a little more. Otherwise, we might have to go ahead and get some touch-up paint at the end of this. Anyway, let's carry on fixing this up. This is the little cowl here that covers up the towing bar. So I could probably just get this replaced at the dealer or whatever. That probably won't cost much, so that will help out with repairing it. But for now, I'm just going to work on it a bit just until I do that. Now, when I purchased this car, it came with I requested the coating on the front there to prevent rocks and chips in the paint. So this is what this basically is. What's on top is this coating. So it did help out this problem slightly. Probably end up pulling the whole entire thing off, which I don't want to do. So I'll probably just take an X-Acto blade and just get it right around there, which is what I'm going to do. I might as well pry this piece off and I can work on it at the table. Snap it back in. Of course, I'm using the wrong tool. Oh, there it is. Pinch it and bring out. Now, this fog light, this fog light panel is going to be a different story. It is. Might be able just to get a lot of the scruffs out, make it look a little more presentable, but I doubt I'm going to get much improvement. We'll see if I work at it long enough. I'm a ginger and it's sunny out, so I'll probably be burnt to a crisp at the end of this. So I might not work on it as long as I should. That's pretty much I can do now. This is done. That's not going to be fixed. Most of this white stuff you see is just plastic coating that came with the vehicle. So what I'm going to do now is just wax it up a bit, kind of get the scratchy stuff out. We'll see what happens. Well, let's have a look at the rushed project to finish up. I mean, all that is the plastic coating. So if I really wanted to, I could remove it. And you can see that turtle wax I used kind of went a little white on some parts of the, but I mean, let's look at the before shot. So it's a major improvement. Doesn't look quite as ugly. Anyway, I think we'll wrap this up. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Until now, see you next time.